safety leaders in the Sioux Falls area are sending a message tonight about one of the dangers of wearing the badge.
Last year, Sioux Falls police officers were assaulted more than 140 times. The Minnehaha County Sheriff's Office reported 70 assaults on deputies and correctional officers, including juvenile detention center staff.
In our top story tonight, KELOLAND's Kelly Volk looks at what can be done to curb the problem.
It's something that has been in the news lately: violence against law enforcement. In mid-February, shots were fired at law enforcement in Brandon after trying to arrest 43-year-old Abe Bushi, according to the Attorney General's office. Meanwhile, 65-year-old David Yoakum is accused of shooting a machine gun at a trooper during a recent chase. This morning, Sioux Falls Police Chief John Toombs spoke about an incident just a few weeks ago, although he couldn't offer many details.
One of our officers responding to a call was fired upon by some people.
The officer wasn't hurt. Today, Toombs and Minnehaha County Sheriff Mike Milstead called attention to assaults on law enforcement.
I think it's a good reminder that the men and women in uniform, your police officers, highway patrol, correctional staff, state prison workers, they're exposed to more danger now than they have been in the past.
We as law enforcement deal with the downstream effects of a lot of societal issues. And the downstream effects right now is a willingness and propensity to use violence against officers, and that's alarming for us.
Toombs highlighted mentorship as one way to interrupt the trend.
It's not going to fix everything, but at least it's something, right? So if you're looking for something you can do, try to get involved in the lives of young people, support organizations, and work on these topics.
Milstead shared a message for parents.
It's hard to be a parent today. It's incredibly hard. And so I think parents could have a huge impact, and that is having the ability to say no, having the ability to be maybe your kid's parent and not best friend. Some of these kids need to, why are kids running around at 2, 3 in the morning with guns in a car?
The best opportunity for intervention is when people are young. It gets harder and harder when people get further entrenched in some of these issues.
In Sioux Falls, Kelly Volk, KELOLAND News.
We've included information in this story about how to become a mentor. You can find that on KELOLAND.com.